Good morning, friends. Let's begin our exercise 11.1. Question number 1. A square and rectangle field with measurement as shown in the figure has the same perimeter, means the boundary area if we calculate for the square and rectangle is same. Which field has larger area? Now they are asking, they have given about the perimeters, they are equal of both the fields. One is square, one is rectangle, and they are asking us to find area and whichever field is larger one in area. So first of all we want to find that the perimeter of square which is equal to the perimeter of rectangle, and using this perimeter we can find the length and the breadth of this. So length is given, so we want to find the breadth of this given measurement. So first we will find the perimeter of square. So we know the perimeter of square, we know that 4 multiplied by length, that is 4 multiplied by 60 meter. So 4 6 are 240 meters. This is perimeter, which is equal to the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, we know that 2 multiplied by L plus B, which is equal to this one perimeter of square, that is 240 meters, already given. So from this we get an idea what will be the only length is given. So 80 is length but breadth is not given, so we will find out the breadth with the help of this. So we can multiply these two. So it will be 2 into 82, 8 is 16. So 160 plus 2b. 2 into b means 2b. Okay. Now this 160 will be subtracted from here. So 2b is equal to 240 minus 160. That will give 2b is equal to 80 meter. Okay. Therefore b is equal to, this will be dividing meter, means 40 meter. So we have got what is this one, that is 40 meter. Okay, so breadth of rectangle is equal to 40 meter and length 80 meter. Now we want to find the area. Okay, so area of square, we know the formula L into L, that is 60 into 60 meter square. So you will be 6 6 are 36, 3600 meter square. Same way we can find the area of rectangle. So L into B, so 80 meter into 40 meter. So 8 4s are 3200 meter square. So this is 3600 meter square, this is area of rectangle is 3200 meter square. So which one is larger? So area of square field is larger. Clear? Area if square field is larger. Hope so. Clear to you everyone? Clear? Another question, question number 2. Mr. Kausik has a square plot with a measurement as shown in the figure, that is 25 meter into 25 breadth also 25 length also. It is a square plot. She wants, okay, Mrs. Kaushik, she wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. So she wants to construct the house, and this is the area of the house required. Okay, a garden is developed around the house. So this other portion we will find that this is the house area, and this remaining one, this area is for the garden. This one all entirely covered around this. Okay, and the center portion is will be for the house. This will be house area. So we want to get that what is the area of the garden and the cost. Find the total cost of developing the garden around the house at the rate of 55 rupees per meter square. So we have given the contract for developing the garden also, that is 55 rupees per meter square. So for the payment we need to find what is the area of the garden multiplied by this 55 rupees per meter square. So first of all we will find the area of plot. कब मिलेगा garden? Total plot minus area of house, तो remaining will be garden. So area of square plot, L into L, that is 25 meter multiplied by 25 meter. So it will be 625 meter square. Similarly, area of house. So area of house, that is in rectangular shape, that is length into breadth, that is 20 meter multiplied by 15 meter. Length and breadth of the plot housing area is given. So it will be 15 to the 30 and 0, so 300 meter square. So if we subtract area of house from the plot, total plot area, the remaining area will be for garden. So area of garden is equal to area of plot minus area of house. So area of plot is 625 meters square minus area of house is 300 meters square. So area of garden will be 325 meter square. So this much area is to be developed for garden. Now for developing garden, the cost of developing of garden is also given. So cost of developing garden rate is 1 meter square is equal to rupees 55. For 1 meter square they are paying, per meter means 1 meter square, 55 rupees. Therefore cost of developing garden, how much area? 325 meters square. So it will be 325 multiplied by 55, and that much rupees we have to pay for developing the garden. If we multiply, we will get 17,875 rupees to be paid for developing the garden. Hope so. Clear this much. Now we proceed for the next question.